I can represent a linear function as a graph. First, the steps. Graph the y-intercept first, write the slope as a fraction, count the slope. Remember that positive slopes go up and right, negative slopes go down and right. So let's go ahead and try an example. Here we have y equals 2x minus 7. The negative 7 is definitely your y-intercept, and your y-axis, of course, is right here. So let's plot negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 7 is right there. Then we're going to plot our slope, which is 2, but we know it has to be a fraction, so we make it 2 over 1. If I put 2 divided by 1 in my calculator, you can see it's 2. I just added the 1 so I could count the slope. I'm going to start at my y-intercept, count up 2, 1, 2, and to the right 1. And I can keep doing that. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. Up 2, right 1. As you notice, this is a linear function, so it forms a line. I know that I had to go up 2 because it was positive. Now this says graph at least 3 points to create the line represented by y equals negative 3x plus 5. So the first thing I'm going to do is plot my y-intercept plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right there. Now I see that my slope is negative 3, but I want it to be a fraction, so I'm going to put negative 3 over 1, and as you can see, it's still negative 3. So I'm going to start at my y-intercept. Since it's negative, I go down 3 before I go right 1. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm sorry, I put that in the wrong place. Let me go ahead and get rid of that point, and I'll do it one more time. I'm going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1. So I went down negative 3 over 1. Let me do it again. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 over 1. And one more time. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 over 1. Again, it's a linear equation, so it will make a line with a negative 3 slope and a positive 5 y-intercept. Let's try to match a graph to an equation. Which equation represents the graph of the linear function? I'll tell you, the first thing I look for when I'm doing this is my y-intercept. My y-intercept is a positive 3. This is a possibility. B is not, because that's negative 3. C has no y-intercept at all, so that's also not a possibility. And then we have the last one, D. It's also a plus 3. So that is a possibility. So next, I'm going to follow my line up for my y-intercept and find the first corner where the line goes right through the corner of a box. So that means I'm counting up 1 over 1. So in my calculator, I'm going to write positive 1 over 1, just so you can see that it gives me 1, all right? And we don't usually write 1s in front of variables, so that means D is my answer, because the slope is 1, and your y-intercept is positive 3. If you notice on A, it has a negative slope, so that could tell you right away that that is not a possible answer. All right, looks like that's it.